Good afternoon student, here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Today I want to discuss one important agriculture app, that is a Kisan Suvidha app. This information is useful for particularly Ravi student. Why? Because they are working with the farmers. So all the recent information related to agriculture and allied businesses within this Kisan Suvidha app. You know very well there is a different kind of the agriculture app is developed by the government. So this Kisan Suvidha app is one of the app. So you can download this app from Play Store. Okay, I already downloaded, installed this app. So it's look like this. So you can download. After that, you will get all the information in your particular area. You can register for this app by your name, your district, your state, and go for the information. So information related to weather, dealers, market price, what is the minimum price of your product in your area. Then agro advisory, soil health card, animal husbandry is there, crop insurance, that is a Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana is there, government scheme, which are the schemes are there, what kind of the questions or you have in your mind related to that particular scheme. Then farmers corner also is there. So plant protection, all this information within this one app. So while you are working with the farmers, you are disseminate the information related to agriculture to the farmer, that is a transfer of technology. That time this app is this different kind of the app is helpful to you to collect the information related to that particular area. So where suppose Ravi student from the Aurangabad, they can select the Aurangabad district, okay, and collecting the information related to Aurangabad district. So likewise all the students, they can while registration they choose their particular district and go for the information. So I want to discuss this Kisan Suvidha app with you. So first of all, suppose Aurangabad district, so whatever the weather information is there, market price, so minimum price of different product, okay. So that the bajra, that is 2000 quintal, okay. Then per quintal barley is there 1440 quintal. This is the minimum price of that particular product, okay. Cotton is there, gram is there, dehusk, jowar, hybrid, maldandi is there, local variety. So jute, all these are minimum price decided by the government of that particular year, suppose 2020-21 year. So you can give the information to the farmer about the minimum price, okay, to that particular product, okay. This is the one updated information. Then again plant protection. So if I choose the soybean, then flowering from seedling to harvesting stage. So suppose seedling, so insect pest, tobacco caterpillar, white fly, so white fly is there, nymph or adult. So like that you will get the information related to white fly, what is the white fly, how it's look like, then insect stage is there, symptoms, integrated pest management practices there, the culture is there, mechanical is there, chemical is there, biological is there. So all this information you are going to have in this app, okay. There is a different pictures also they provide here, okay. So like that you can choose and go for the information. If you want, if particular farmer have infection on their particular crop, so capture that photo and upload here, okay. So like that you can use this plant protection of different crop and fruit crop, okay. So this is the about plant. Then agro advisory, what is the agro advisory? You can select one, suppose I am selecting animal husbandry. So what is related to animal husbandry is there. So Kisan credit card facilitated extension to animal husbandry and fisheries farmers with interest subvention about 2% per annum at the time of disturbance, okay. So this is about the this particular animal husbandry, okay. So this is the agro advisory related to what? Related to animal husbandry. So Mr. Sagar Mehra, Joint Secretary, DASDF Kisan Bhavan Credit Agri. Okay, so like that is there. Then next, so again we can go for the next, that is a soil health card. Suppose a first particular farmer is having want to be soil testing, so he can give to the mobile number here, village name, soil testing lab, mobile number. If you whatever the mobile number you are using for that soil testing, you can put it there. You can get the all information related to soil health. Then cold store and go down, how much cold store and go down in your particular area. Suppose here in Aurangabad, Chikalthana and Waluz having the this cold storage and go down. So you get the whatever the facility related to go down for the grain storage. Okay, so then animal husbandry I already told. So what are the diagnostic laboratories is there, veterinary center is there. Okay, then what is meant by artificial insemination? You get the all information related to this veterinary animal husbandry. So total veterinary centers are 13 in Aurangabad. So this is giving the center name Aurangabad, Gangapur, Kannad, Paithan, Pholambri, Sillod, Soyegaon. All these are the name under the Aurangabad. Then diagnostic laboratory also, center name Aurangabad, Gangapur, same is there. Okay. What is the artificial insemination? Animal breeding, method of breeding. Artificial insemination means what? Benefit of high genetic merit semen means what? Heat detection means what? So animal breeding. So you giving the all the conceptual information related to all these things. So you go through this information, you can translate in Marathi and tell to your farmers related to any queries there. So feedback also is there if you want to any feedback, and again post your query if have any query related to that particular thing. Okay, so you can go through this. The training institution also related to animal husbandry, artificial insemination, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, BAIF Institute for Sustainable Livelihood and Development is situated at Nashik. That is a training center for artificial insemination. Then also in Urali Kanchan, Pune. Okay, so this is also related to artificial insemination. So this is the center research station. So in Maharashtra, Nashik and Pune. So like that information you also might have useful to for your future life and also for the farmer. Then again, what are the government scheme? That is a Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. It is a very important scheme related to this insurance, crop insurance. So you have any questions related to this? So you may get the information related to that. How many crops are covered under the NFSM? Okay, so you have the information related to that, National Food Security Mission. So how many crop cover under this National Food Security Mission? So the rice, wheat, pulse crop, coarse cereals, nutri cereals, millets, oilseed. Okay, all these are the under this. So different kind of the question related to this National Food Security Scheme is having with this. Okay, then HSC. Okay, so also contact details of concurrent centers, central. Okay, how can a farmer use a SHC? So all this information is a soil related to soil health card. Okay, HSC means soil health card. How you can collect the different soil sample, in which shape, all this kind of the information is related to in this. Then again farmer corner is there. New farmer registration, Aadhaar correction, beneficiary status, beneficiary list according to that particular scheme or any particular beneficiary. Okay, so these are the information related to this what Kisan Suvidha app. I will provide all the information related to this different kind of the agriculture app. Okay, so here if any you have any doubts, you can ask in the Google Classroom related to this. Thank you.